This is question 91 in exercise 1.14 in Project Maths 3A. So the foundation for a building is in the shape of the letter L as shown. The shape is formed from two squares of dimensions x meters and root x meters. We have to write down an expression in terms of x for the area of the foundation, and then if the area of the foundation is 42 meters squared, we have to write a quadratic equation in terms of x and calculate the value of x. So we'll start off by writing an expression in terms of x for the area of the foundation. Since it's made up of two squares, we can actually divide the two squares off like this, and we end up with area number 1 here and area number 2 here. The total area of the shape is going to be the sum of area 1 and area 2. The area of area 1 in this case is going to be x times x, because remember it is a square is what we've been told in the question. So this side is also of length x. So the area of area 1 is x squared. And then for area 2, it's going to be root x times root x. So it's going to be root x squared. And we can tidy that up a little bit, because that's going to be equal to x to the power of a half all squared. And if we apply our power to a power rule, we just get x out of that. So our expression in terms of x for the area of the foundation, our total area A, is equal to x squared plus x, because the area for area 1 here is x squared, and the area for area 2 is x, like that. And now for part 2, we've got the area of the foundation is 42 meters squared, so we've got to write a quadratic equation in terms of x and calculate the value of x. So it's going to be x squared plus x equals 42, which means x squared plus x minus 42 is equal to 0. And now we need to factorize this out. So our first term in each bracket are going to be factors of x, factors of x squared, so it's going to be x and x. And the second two are going to be factors of minus 42 that sum up to 1. And if you're not sure what they are, you can just write out all the factors. So 42 and minus 42. The factors would be minus 1 times 42 or 1 times minus 42. And dot dot dot. It goes down in a similar manner. But we're going to get down to 6 times minus 7 and minus 6 times 7. And we're looking to get them to sum to 1 in the middle here. So it's going to be minus 6 and positive 7. So minus 6 and positive 7, like that. And now we can do is we can take each of our brackets separately. So x minus 6 equals 0 and x plus 7 equals 0, and get values for x. So we get x equals 6 and x equals minus 7. But there's only going to be a single value of x, because that's what it suggests in the question, and it's going to be 6. Because remember, x is representing the length of a line or length of an area in this, and you cannot have a negative length. So it's not x equals minus 7, it's going to be x equals 6 for this question. And that is that.